Active weather is set to impact southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa here as we move through the evening tonight and potentially through the overnight hours into early Friday morning. So far today, it's been a pretty pleasant day. Humidity has stayed a little lower with dew points in the lower 50s, but still a little muggy outside. Thunderstorms likely tonight, and that's leading our weather headlines for what we're tracking. Strong storms will be possible, especially with the first round of thunderstorms in northeast Iowa, and the warmth will continue as we move through the weekend. So future track radar. Here's our current setup. Notice southeast Minnesota through Red Wing, Rochester, Albert Lea, Austin. We're all quiet with some partly sunny skies. Not a ton of juice in the atmosphere so far in southeast Minnesota because dew points still remain in the lower 50s. We do have some showers and thunderstorms just near Fairmont. The main activity is currently south of Mason City and Charles City, more towards Waterloo. At this point in time through Dodge, Fort Dodge, currently severe thunderstorm warnings there as well, right along a stationary boundary. Eventually, a cold front will slide through, which will change our winds to the northwest for tomorrow, keeping humidity down once again. But I think once this frontal boundary slides all the way through southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa late tonight, that could bring us our second round of showers and thunderstorms possible for this evening. So I do think the threat for strong to severe thunderstorms is still there. It's still possible for all areas in red, especially to the south of Goodhue County, and especially right along I-90. So they're looking at damaging winds tonight, to the possibility for hail upwards of about an inch in diameter, some heavy rainfall. At times we could end up getting some training thunderstorms late tonight. So again, 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms will be possible. The first round tonight, for the most part, will stay to the south of I-90, mainly impacting northeast Iowa. The threats with the first round, wind and rain, will be the main threats. Then round number 2 tonight, late tonight, into the overnight hours from about 1 until 4 a.m. is when we could be potentially tracking a larger line of showers and thunderstorms, potentially more widespread, impacting southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. With threats with that would be some wind and some rain. Now, why we're not seeing at least the development of thunderstorms near I-90 and northward, well, I look at the dew points, a little different than what we experienced on Tuesday, because Tuesday evening we had dew points into the mid to upper 60s. That was the energy that we had in the atmosphere then to have that thunderstorm development. We don't have that. We do have 70s and 60s near Waterloo, though. That is helping withstand some of that strength for some thunderstorms. So future track, watch the development down to the south of Decorah and Mason City. That's where the first round of showers and thunderstorms will stay at through the early evening. Eventually then, right along this frontal boundary, future track still moving in some showers and thunderstorms by about 2 a.m. Friday morning. Widespread, notice all the way from Red Wing down near Algona. So a little bit more widespread potentially overnight. Tonight, those thunderstorms out of the area by about 5 a.m. We'll actually end up seeing some sunshine again for your Friday with a little cooler temperatures. Highs only probably right near 80 degrees for tomorrow. So our timing wise, we're looking at thunderstorm activity from 6 until about 4 a.m. Looking at lightning and wind and some small hail still possible for this evening. Outside currently we still have some sunshine in Rochester. Winds now out of the northwest, and we have temperatures at 87 degrees. Tonight 64 for the overnight low. We're cloudy. Storms will be likely tonight, especially overnight for Rochester from about 1 until 4 a.m. 7-day forecast. We keep the temperatures above average, lower 80s Saturday and Sunday. And then we jump into the 90s coming up on Monday. That'll do it for your Weather Authority forecast. Caitlin, over to you.